dear, we have started our discussion that was connected to two functions, velocity potential function and stream function. तो अच्छा हमारा वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन का टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो गया और वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन में हमने जो चीज समझी कि दैट दिस फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड फॉर 3D और दिस फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड एग्जिस्ट इन द इरोटेशनल फ्लो। वो बात अलग थी कि वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन को हमने जो यूज किया, जो देखा, दैट इज इन 2D। आफ्टर दिस अब हमारा डिस्कशन स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू व्हाट, स्ट्रीम फंक्शन। और हमने लास्ट एक एक्सप्रेशन देखा था इन द वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन दैट वाज कनेक्टेड टू इक्विवेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन लाइन and the expression connected to slope of that line. dy upon dx at phi is equals to constant is equals to minus u upon v. So my dear, remember that thing. We have a good discussion related to that. अब आज हम लोग स्टार्ट ले रहे हैं our discussion connected to what, stream function. Take a look here. So heading please, stream function. Stream function. And my dear, representation is with psi. मैं बहुत कुछ बोल जाऊंगा बट उससे पहले चाहता हूं कि आप डेफिनेशन लिखो। सो हेडिंग देन डेफिनेशन फर्स्ट प्लीज। इन जनरल stream function is defined as a function of space and time, in 2D in bracket that is one plane, in bracket that is one plane. In such a way, close the bracket, in such a way that the continuity equation is satisfied, and flow is possible. I repeat the statement here. In general, stream function is defined as a function of space and time in 2D in bracket that is one plane, in such a way that the continuity equation is satisfied and flow is possible. The flow is possible. मतलब इस फंक्शन को डिफाइन करने का बैकग्राउंड क्या है? कॉन्टिन्यूटी इक्वेशन। और अगर कहीं कॉन्टिन्यूटी है तो फ्लो है, तो दिस फंक्शन इज ऑल्सो डिफाइंड। और अगर बेटा फ्लो है तो फ्लो मे बी रोटेशनल एंड मे बी इरोटेशनल। दैट मीन्स दिस फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड फॉर रोटेशनल एज वेल एज इरोटेशनल फ्लोस। मैं बहुत सारी बातें कह रहा हूं, मैं सारी लिखाऊंगा अभी आपको, but I am going to differentiate with the word velocity potential function first. That was defined in 3D. We have used in 2D. This function is defined in 2D. That was function exists. Potential function की बात कर रहा हूं. Potential function exists in irrotational flow, stream function, rotational as well as irrotational flow for both flow because it is defined for flow. अब देखिए, so it is defined in such a way that the continuity equation is satisfied and the flow is possible. तो continuity की बेसिस पे डिफाइन कर रहा हूं। एंड माय डियर, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग आल्सो। ये भी टॉपिक बिल्कुल वैसा ही चलना है, एक एक स्टेप पे जो चीज आ रही है पुट थिंग्स इन योर माइंड, देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपका इजी होगा। अदरवाइज नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाते जाते आपको एक्सप्रेशन याद नहीं होंगे, इट विल कम्स मोर एंड मोर डिफिकल्ट। सो टेक योर टाइम, पुट द थिंग्स इन योर माइंड, देन कंटिन्यू। So my discussion connected to continuity equation, my dear. continuity equation. For 2D steady incompressible flow. बच्चा मेरा स्मार्ट, अब बच्चा मुझे बताएगा continuity equation क्या होती है. Tell me the continuity equation here. For 2D steady incompressible flow. Del u over del x plus del u over del y is equal to 0. So this is del u over del x plus del v over del y is equals to what? 0. If we put, अगर हम पुट करें, if we put, क्या पुट कर रहे हैं बच्चा? If we put u is equal to minus del psi over del y, याद करिए इसको. U is equal to minus del psi over del y. U is equal to minus del psi over del y. V, and V is equal to del psi over del x. V is equal to del psi over del x. V is equal to del psi over del x. तो जरा पुट करके देखते हैं माय डियर. If we are going to put it like this way, then what will happen? So this is del upon del x u minus del psi over del y plus del upon del y. V बचा बताओ. Don't cheat. V is equal to del psi over x. Del psi over del x is equal to 0. तो अगर आप देखोगे, so this and this is going to be what? Cancellized. और अगर ये दोनों कैंसलाइज कर रहे हैं, that means 0 is equals to 0, continuity satisfied. So this is 0 is equals to 0, continuity satisfied. So my dear, point of discussion is this, कि अगर ये continuity को satisfy कर रहा है, that means इस background का define करने का continuity. If this function is going to satisfy the continuity equation, that means these functions are defined on the basis of continuity equations. अगर कहीं flow है, so definitely stream function exist करेगा. But a stream function we are defined in 2D. I think one is clear. And no, maybe rotational or maybe rotational. That means stream function is defined in rotational as well as irrotational both. अभी सारे स्टेट लिखा रहा हूँ, each and every statement I'm going to write here. So आप हरी में ना रहिए, सुनिए मुझे ढंग से. And right here, please note down this one, do it fast. Done. Now next, psi exists, जो बोला वही लिख रहा हूँ, in rotational as well as irrotational flows. तो अच्छा दोनों लिए, जबकि phi x किस में रहेगा? Irrotational. सारी रीजनिंग क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ. Again I am going to repeat. I am going to, you can say, cross the reasoning questions. Whenever you are going to involve, then ultimately you see the importance of the class. Next one, मेरा बहुत दिमाग घुमा है last one, connect to rotation. So again I am going to enter in the word rotation. Omega z देते हैं. So this is my discussion. That is connect to omega z. मेरा स्मार्ट बच्चा फॉर्मूला बनाएगा. Tell the expression here. 1/2 del upon del x minus del upon del y, y का v, x का u. And my dear, don't cheat here anything. Next, this is your 1 by 2 del upon del x. बच्चा मेरा स्मार्ट, बच्चा मुझे बताने वाला है v. Don't cheat, be honest in my class. V. So this v is equals to del psi upon del x. Next, minus del upon del y. U. Tell me you don't cheat, my dear. U. So u is equals to minus del psi upon del y. This. अब बच्चा बोलेगा सर दिस एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट कैंसिलाइज. वाह वाह, कैंसिल हो रहा है, देख लो पहले. वहां जो देखा था वो यहां थोड़ी ना हो जाएगा. और अगर आप कैंसिल कर रहे हो तो यू आर गोइंग टू क्लेम सर ईच एंड एवरी केस दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स कि आप ये कह रहे हो कि साई इज ऑल्सो डिफाइंड फॉर द व्हाट इरोटेशनल फ्लो, जबकि साई defined on the basis of continuity, and continuity is a condition of flow, and the flow may be rotational or irrotational. So this may be is equals to 0 and may not. तो काट दे सकते हैं आप इसको ऐसे. देखिए बच्चा क्या लिख रहा हूं. So this is z is equals to what, half. This is del 2 psi upon del x2 plus del 2 psi upon del y2 like this. और इसको अगर आप लिखना चाहते हैं so you can also write it like this way, half del square psi. Maybe in a case that this value is equals to what, 0, or may not. So if psi, I've given you the time to note down. So this is your time. I'm going to pause here. Please note down this one, do it fast. Done. I repeat, stream function, continuity equation, this u and v. और अगर u और v को आप यहाँ पर रख रहे हैं, so continuity equation is going to be what, satisfied. So that means stream function defined in such a way that the continuity gets satisfied and the flow is possible. So basically flow के लिए define है. Next, define in the what, 2D. Flow के लिए define है, flow may be rotational and may be what, irrotational. Next, we are going to see the rotation here. So formula लिखा, v और u की values put कर दी हमने. Next, finally we have this expression. Maybe this is equals to 0 and may not. So my dear, if phi satisfies Laplace equation, Laplace equation satisfy कर रहा है तो इसका मतलब आप ये लिख रहे हो that this is the what, this is equals to 0. Then ये 0 हो जाएगा. In that case, you are going to say that the flow nature is what? Irrotational. So flow is irrotational. Second case. If phi does not satisfy, if psi does not satisfy us, Laplace equation. So it means that this is not equals to what? 0. तो बच्चा अगर ये 0 नहीं है, then that case ये भी 0 नहीं होगा. इसका मतलब that the case is connected to what? Rotational. So this is then is not equals to what? 0. Flow is rotational. Flow is rotational. My dear, this is your time. Pause your video, note down this one and put the things in your mind. Then start. Do it fast. Done. Now going to rub. Dear, my point of discussion. Potential function जब हम देख रहे थे phi, so physical significance of potential function related to irrotationality of the flow. बट यहां पर हम ये समझना चाह रहे हैं कि psi किससे कनेक्टेड है? स्टीम फंक्शन फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस अभी तक हमने नहीं देखा. So my discussion that is connected to physical significance of steam function. Now take a look here. Physical significance of psi. My dear, point of discussion here that this I have taken like this. और मैंने 2 पॉइंट्स ले लिए हैं. This is I have taken 1, this is I have taken 2. Gap here is what? Y. And the flow is this in this direction. Elemental, this is what dy. So my discussion that is connected to what? Physical significance of I. और बेटा यहां से जो रिजल्ट निकलने वाले हैं वो इतने वैल्यूएबल हैं कि so many reasoning based problems and so many numericals you can easily solve with that. ऐसे अगर आप क्वेश्चन लगा रहे होंगे तो आपको मजा तो आएगा ही. और काइनेमेटिक्स इज लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक कि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, more and more mathematics is there, but what is going on in which direction and formula easily मैंने आपके दिमाग में सेट कर दिया. तो न्यूमेरिकल लगाएंगे तो आपका वैसे ही टूटेगा. और if you are going to attend the lectures properly और आप मुझे ढंग से सुन रहे हैं, so I am going to cover all the reasoning based points in my lectures and that will reflect whenever you are going to attempt the what problems. देखिए क्या. So I am going to talk for 2D steady incompressible flow. So this is for 2D steady incompressible flow. So my dear, for 2D steady incompressible flow, this psi is a function of xy. And this is the time when I am going to apply the what mathematics here. So maths से लगाने जा रहा हूँ. So this is the time when I am going to apply the mathematics here, maths. So बच्चा, this is the what you can say d psi del psi upon del x into what dx. plus del psi over del y into what? dy. Now my point of discussion here. बच्चा मेरा स्मार्ट, बच्चा मुझे बताने वाला है कि वॉट एवर दिस रिटर्न इज, सर ने ये क्या लिखा है, टेल मी वॉट एवर इज दिस, जल्दी बताइए, टेल मी वॉट एवर इज दिस, del psi over del x. Don't cheat, my dear, don't cheat. This is v. So this I have written v. Now tell me what is this. This is minus of u. अच्छा, हमारी वर्किंग किस में है? वी आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, 1 to 2 पॉइंट ऐसे लिया है. सो आवर मूवमेंट इज इन y. एक्सिमम मूवमेंट है नहीं. So this part 0. चलूं आगे. And velocity also in the what? This direction. U. चलूं आगे. Now the point of discussion here that this is the what you can say d size. I repeat, हमारा movement किसमें है? Y में, not in x. So this is d psi is equals to what? Minus u into what? dy. Minus u into dy. बच्चा क्या हम इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं? माइनस u into dy है, dy मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 लिख दें हम इसको, dy मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, dy मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1. इट मीन, समझ रहे हैं आप? 1 दिखाता हूं आपको, dy इज दिस, 1 इज दिस. अब देख लो, बोर्ड के परपेंडिकुलर लिया. देन आफ्टर दैट dy इज दिस एंड 1 इज दिस. बच्चा समझ रहे? सर दैट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू मेक dy 1 एरिया. देखिए क्या, आई एम हियर, दिख रहा हूं ना? दिस इज dy 1 इज दिस, बोर्ड के परपेंडिकुलर, दिस इज dy, then again perpendicular 1. So this is like this, 1 dy 1 and velocity u. So this is the what? Area. dy 1, बाजू है मेरी 1, then again dy, then 1. This is area, dy cross 1 area, and velocity u perpendicular this area. That is going to give you the what? Area multiplied by velocity. That is going to give you the value what? Discharge. So you can say that this is the what you can say width of the flow, 1. So I am going to say minus इधर ले लिया मैंने, minus of d psi is equals to what? U multiplied by dy multiplied by 1. This is equals to dq per unit width of flow. Per unit width of flow, that means this one. Now the next discussion, that this is the what I am going to what? Integrate it, my dear, integrate it. और अगर आप इसको इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं, so this will becomes 1 2 minus q per unit width of flow. So my dear, whatever we are going to write here, that this is the, you can say, psi 1 minus psi 2 is equals to q per unit width of flow. बात को सुनना बहुत ध्यान से. I am going to say here, जहां से डिस्चार्ज एलिमेंटल था पूरे से निकाल लिया, that is what q, that is per unit width of flow in between this, Actually, whenever you are going to take a point this, whenever you are going to take a point this, difference of, you can say, stream function here and here, that is going to give you the value of what? Discharge. So basically, if I am going to write, so this is in mod. So you can also write in mod, क्योंकि discharge अगर आप लेके चल रहे हो तो वो तो positive ही आएगा ना. So whatever you are going to take the difference, that is in mod. That is going to give you the value of discharge per unit width of flow. So you can also write it mod value of this Q per unit width of flow. Is it clear? My dear, please note down this one. I am side here. Do it fast. So now my dear, done. Okay. So now our point of discussion that is connected to जो वहां पर हमने देखा था equipotential function line. Here we are looking equistream function line. So heading please, equistream function line. So this is equistream function line. Okay. My dear, my point of discussion, first of all, before going to start my discussion, note down the definition part here. This line is formed, actually line भी क्या है, these are the curves. This curve, this line in bracket curve is formed by joining the different points, having the same value of stream function psi. Similar, जैसे मैंने आपको वहां पर बताया था कि that this we have a flow field here, कि that this we have a flow field, we have different locations, and हर जगह पे psi की एक वैल्यू होगी. So the points having the same value, that points we are going to what? Match. In this way we are going to form a line at which the psi value will remains what? Same. मुझे लग रहा है मैंने फाई तो नहीं बोला ना, देख लेना कहीं पर, क्योंकि बात साई की चल रही है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू से हियर कि जैसे कि अगर मैंने ये लाइन बनाई, सो दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट, फॉर ऑल द पॉइंट्स जो कि इस लाइन पे हैं, इस कर्व पे हैं, एक्चुअली कर्व है, दीज आर द लाइंस, वी आर सेइंग लाइन, एक्चुअली दीज आर द कर्व्स. सो फॉर दिस यू कैन से साई इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सेम, कांस्टेंट. सो फ्लो फील्ड का मैंने एक एग्जांपल ले लिया कि जहां जहां पर साई की वैल्यू सेम है, आप उन पॉइंट्स को मैच कर दे रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट, द नेक्स्ट माय डिस्कशन दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू द स्लोप ऑफ दिस एंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन. सो बच्चा, फॉर दिस आई एम गोइंग टू से फॉर 2D स्टेडी इनकम्प्रेसिबल फ्लो. सो दिस इज फॉर 2D steady incompressible and flow. So bacha, I am going to say that this is the what? Psi. Psi is a function of x comma y. Okay, I am going to apply the mathematics here. maths. So this is mathematics here. चेंज लिख रहा हूं इसका, d psi is equals to del psi upon del x into dx plus del psi or del y into what dy. अच्छा अब एक बात बताइए, फॉर अ इक्विस्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइन, फॉर अ, लिख दे रहा हूं पहले, फॉर अ इक्विस्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइन, यहां से अगर आप यहां पर चलेंगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द चेंज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ स्ट्रीम फंक्शन? फिर और अगर आप यहां से यहां पर भी चलेंगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द चेंज? जीरो, बिकॉज इस लाइन पे तो, इस कर्व पे तो हर जगह इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? सेम. सो आई एम गोइंग टू से हियर दैट दिस इज, यू कैन से d psi is equals to what? Zero. So that's why I have written that this is equals to what? Zero. I think the point is clear. तो बहुत आराम से चलना है, आप बहुत आराम से समझिए. Now the next thing here, बच्चा मेरा स्मार्ट, now you tell me what is this? जल्दी जल्दी. That this is written as what? U. So this is U. Oh, this is written as V. This is written as what? U की minus U, minus U. Clear? आप क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं. Now I'm going to write it like this way, that this will becomes, इसको इधर लेके आते हैं बच्चा. So this is what you can say, U into dy is equals to V into dx. Now I'm here, those students जिन्होंने कॉन्सेंट्रेट अच्छे से किया है, they have a concentration in the class, the students they have a concentration in the class, they already know that what I am going to say next. यहां तक आते आते मैं दो चीजें यहां से कहना चाहता हूं, और अगर आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेवल अच्छा रहा होगा, डेफिनेटली वो दोनों चीजें आपको पता है पहले से. The first thing if you are looking here, I am going to write it like this way, my dear, this is dx upon, you can say u, is equals to dy upon, you can say what? V. Have you ever seen this thing or not? You tell me. आपने कहीं इसको पहले तो नहीं देखा है? क्या कहा? देखा है? कब और कहां? स्ट्रीम लाइन, जब वो तो हमने 3D में प्लॉट करी थी, बट ये जो आप प्लॉट कर रहे हो 2D में, whatever you are going to plot this in 2D, that is what? स्ट्रीमलाइन ही तो प्लॉट कर रहे हो in 2D. Are you getting my point or not? देख लीजिए. That's why if you have seen, always I have taken arrow, because this line is connected to what? Flow. So that's why I have taken the what? Arrow. इससे पहले in the last one I have taken the physical significance of phi, the physical significance of psi, stream function का physical significance, in that also I have taken the arrow. But whenever I have discussed equipotential function line, see in your notes, I have not taken the what? Arrow. वहां पर मैंने flow direction को represent नहीं किया. These lines are connected to flow. You can check your notes. Equipotential function line, you can check. I have taken a curve here, but I have not taken the direction of flow in that. और अगर आपने किया है तो आपने सही से नोट डाउन नहीं किया. Now the next discussion here. यहां तक आते आते, whatever you are looking, my dear, this is the what? Dy upon dx. This is psi is equals to what? Constant is equals to what? You can say v upon u. Okay. So this is the slope of equistream function line at a point. So this is slope of equistream function line. The next thing, if you are going to integrate it, ultimately you will get the what? Equation of that. So integrate it, next step, integrate it. then after that you can say equation of equistream function line. Stream function line. Done. Now my next discussion, my dear. My next discussion that is connected to whatever you have seen. एक discussion तो मैंने ले लिया. The next discussion, if you are interested to first of all note down this one. I am side here. पहले आप मैं रुक रहा हूँ, साइड जा रहा हूँ. मैं यहाँ पर आपको फिर क्लियर कर रहा हूँ. ये आपने स्ट्रीम लाइन देखी हुई थी, तो उसी को जब आप 2D में प्लॉट कर रहे हो तो वो कुछ और नहीं है, वो यही है. सेम थिंग, इक्वी स्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइन. कनेक्ट कर दिया मैंने सब्जेक्ट को कहाँ से कहाँ तक. And in this way, your subject is going to be what? Compress. So, my dear, first of all, pause your video. Please note down this one. I am side here. Done. Next. My dear, if you are looking here, so we have this result. Earlier, what we have? Dy upon dx phi is equals to constant multiplied by dy upon dx phi is equals to constant. This is psi is equals to constant. तो हमारे पास रिजल्ट क्या था? लास्ट टाइम वॉट एवर वी हैव दिस दैट वाज माइनस u upon v. This time whatever we have, this is v upon u. Last time you can see we have an expression minus u upon v for this slope of equipotential function line at a point, minus u upon v. This time we have v upon u. So whatever is coming, that is equals to what? Minus 1. So multiplication of slope here is equals to what? Minus 1. तो आपको नहीं लग रहा कि अगर आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है -1 है, दैट मीन्स these two lines are orthogonal to each other in a flow field except at stagnation point. क्योंकि stagnation point कौन से points होते हैं? Where the velocity will becomes equals to what? 0. जहाँ पर तो flow ही नहीं है. So first of all note down this one, then I am going to give you the statement point here. Do it fast, my dear. Pause your video. Note down please. Equipotential function line and equistream function line are orthogonal to each other. Are orthogonal to each other in bracket except at stagnation point. Except at stagnation point. We have already a discussion connected to what is stagnation point. Stagnation point is a point at which the velocity of the flow becomes equals to what? 0. And we have done one problem when we have a discussion related to what is streamline. वहां पर आपको बता दिया था मैंने. Now in this way अगर आप देख रहे हो तो आपको लगता नहीं है कि if you are going to plot these lines तो होगा क्या? So that is a part of my general discussion. So this is what in general. So my dear, in general discussion, if I am going to take here, so it is something like this. It is something like this. It is something like this. So these all, whatever I have taken, that these are the what you can say equistream function lines. So this is black से represent कर रहा हूँ. This, yeah, I am going to take here that this is the what psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, and this is I am going to say phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. माई पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन हेयर, ये जो आप ले रहे हो साइवन, इस पूरी लाइन पे द वैल्यू विल रिमेन सेम, बट next line the value is going to what change, next line the value is going to what change. Similarly 5 values for this line same, 5 values for this line is same, 5 values for this line is what same. तो आपको लगता नहीं है if these lines are what orthogonal to each other, और अगर आप बनाओगे तो it is something like that. So ये तो नेट बन गया, और इसी को टेक्निकली वी आर गोइंग टू से फ्लो नेट, फ्लो का जाल, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ डिस्कशन. So I have just plotted for your reference here because we have a separate discussion that is connected to what flow net. I think so. From this you have a you can say touch of flow net, but we have a further discussion connected to flow net, my dear. So please wait for that. This just for the idea here, reference here. Draw it. I'm side here. Done. Next. I'm just going to check key. Yes, it is in the frame. अच्छा, this thing I am also going to write again. अगर कहीं miss हो रहा है, this thing, that this is I have written dy upon you can say dx, phi is equals to what constant multiplied by dy upon dx, psi is equals to constant. So last time we have a result minus u upon v, minus u upon v for this, and this time we have a result for this v upon u. So this is equals to minus 1. That's I have written. So multiplication of slope is equals to minus 1. That means that these two lines are what? Orthogonal. Or orthogonal in a flow field, but except at stagnation point. I think so point should be clear. Next. अच्छा, अब हमारा नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन जो है, इतना पढ़ने के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू इन्वॉल्व इन द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. सो टेक अ लुक ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू टेक 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स हियर वन बाय वन. सो दिस इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देखिए क्या. Given phi is equals to 3xy, you also start to note down. Given phi is equals to 3xy and psi is equals to 3/2 y square minus x square. The discharge passing through passing between the streamlines through the points between the streamlines through the points 1,3 and 3,3 is. Now my dear, it's your time to attempt the problem. I'm side here. Do it fast. Done. Now going to solve the problem. See. बच्चों क्या बोल रहा है कि दो पॉइंट्स दे दिए हैं, द डिस्चार्ज पासिंग थ्रू द स्ट्रीम लाइंस। सो ये डिस्चार्ज है क्या? डिस्चार्ज पर यूनिट विड्थ ही है। दे हैव गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन से साई एक्सप्रेशन। फाई का कोई यूज नहीं है, देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ व्हाट फाई। So simply I am going to calculate psi at this point. Simply I am going to calculate the psi at this point. और दोनों का डिफरेंस ले लिए, that is going to give you the value of what discharge. Physical significance of phi. What a good discussion we have. Physical significance related to phi बोल दिया क्या? psi बोल रहा हूँ, अगर phi बोला तो, नहीं तो करेक्ट। What a good discussion we have that is connected to physical significance of stream function psi. अब stream function भी बोला करूँगा, stream function psi. कि that if you are going to take 2 points, अगर आप 2 पॉइंट्स ले लें और 2 पॉइंट पे अगर आप psi 1 psi 2 का डिफरेंस ले लें, so that is going to give you the what discharge per unit width. This is the physical significance. और discharge तो बताएगा ही, because these lines are connected to what flow. So I am going to say here, my dear, so this is solution part. Psi they have given psi 1 comma 3, 3 by 2. Y is what? 3 square minus 1 square. So the value will become equals to 9 minus 1, 8. 8 divided by 2, that is 4, 4, 3, 12 units. Next, I am going to say here, this is, yeah, directly B we can say that this is 3 comma 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 2, this is 3 square minus 3 square, or 0. So this is, I am going to take the what difference here, higher minus lower, psi 1 comma 3 minus psi 3 comma 3 is equals to 12 minus 0 is equals to what? 12 units. This is the answer, my dear. Please note down this one, do it fast. One objective problem is over. Done. आई रिपीट, इसमें फाई का वर्क नहीं है, साई का ही वर्क है, क्योंकि मैं डिस्चार्ज निकालना था। और 2 पॉइंट्स पे आप साई की वैल्यू ले लो और उसका डिफरेंस जो होगा, दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्चार्ज पर यूनिट विड्थ। नेक्स्ट, जैसे टॉपिक कंप्लीट हो रहा है, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सो दैट व्हाटएवर यू हैव सीन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू व्हाट यूज हियर, देन अल्टीमेटली आफ्टर दैट आपका एप्लीकेशन क्लियर हो जाएगा। वन मोर प्रॉब्लम वी आर लुकिंग हियर, ऑब्जेक्टिव, देन आफ्टर दैट वन कन्वेंशनल। देखिए क्या, note down please the stream function for a 2D incompressible flow. The stream function for 2D incompressible flow is given by psi is equals to px square plus q y square. ओके, स्ट्रीम फंक्शन दे दिया इन्होंने, where p and q are non-zero constant. Okay, where p and q are non-zero constant. Okay, a velocity potential function for this flow can be determined only when a velocity potential function for this flow can be determined only when, और आपके ऑप्शंस हैं, ऑप्शन ए, Option A, P is equals to Q by 2. Option B, P is equals to Q. Option C, P is equals to minus Q. And D, this is P is equals to 2Q. But it's your time to attempt the problem. Take a look of the problem. First of all, pause your video and attempt the problem. Done. डियर अगर आप इस प्रॉब्लम को अटेम्प्ट ले रहे हैं तो उन्होंने क्या बोला है, द स्ट्रीम फंक्शन फॉर 2D इनकम्प्रेसिबल फ्लो इज गिवन बाय साई इज इक्वल टू दिस. ओके, ठीक है. वेयर P and Q आर नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट. ओके, नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट है. A potential function for this flow can be determined only when. A potential function for this flow can be determined only when. अगर potential function determine हो रहा है, that means that the flow is what? Irrotational. So in this case, if solution, if phi exists, तो इसका मतलब तो ये हो गया that the flow is irrotational. means irrotational flow. और बच्चों अगर ये irrotational flow हुआ, in that case if you are looking, so irrotational flow के लिए तो Laplace should be what? Satisfied. This is also in the what? Stream function. This is equals to what? 0. Are you getting my point or not? 5 भी होता तो भी ये Laplace satisfy होता और stream function के लिए भी satisfy करेगा, तो इन्होंने दिया हुआ था. So उसको दो बार आप कर दीजिए. So this will becomes what? 2P plus 2Q is equals to what? 0. P is equals to what? Minus Q. Single line answer is there. So it's your time to note down this one. Do it fast. मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. अगर ये बोल रहा है कि पोटेंशियल फंक्शन एग्जिस्ट कर जाए, पोटेंशियल फंक्शन अगर आप एग्जिस्ट करवाओगे तो इसका मतलब इरोटेशनल होगा, और इरोटेशनल होगा सो लैप्लास सेटिस्फाई करेगा फॉर द स्ट्रीम फंक्शन के लिए भी सेटिस्फाई करेगा एज वेल एज फॉर द पोटेंशियल फंक्शन. दे हैव गिवन द व्हाट स्ट्रीम फंक्शन, तो हमने उसको ले लिया, सेटिस्फाई कर दिया. वी हैव अ कंडीशन, दैट मींस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस वी हैव ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. सो माय डियर प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस वन. डू इट फास्ट. So dear, done. Now the next discussion. We are looking one more problem. It's a very, very good problem. Take a look of this problem. Conventional type. And this problem is going to refine you. For 2D incompressible flow field, देखिए क्या दिया है. Problem is for 2D incompressible flow field. Okay. They have given my dear U, they have given my dear V. So this they have given U is equals to y cube by 3 plus 2x minus x square y, and they have given V is equals to V is equals to xy square minus 2y minus x cube by 3. Show that it is a possible case of flow and obtain psi. Show that it is a possible case of flow and obtain psi. Nowadays if you are looking these types of problems, they are going to ask in the examination. अगर आप एग्जामिनेशन में भी देखेंगे तो ये ऑप्टेन साई ऑप्टेन फाई की प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत पूछ रहे हैं, तो ये कैसे करनी है, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मेन डिस्कशन हियर. बाकी तो फ्लो पॉसिबल है कि नहीं, दैट यू आर गोइंग टू चेक, and that you can check with the help of what continuity equation for the incompressible flow. And my dear, already we have a discussion connected to this incompressible flow continuity equation. See, solution part. So for 2D incompressible flow continuity equation, for 2D incompressible, and this is flow. So बच्चों बताइए क्या थी, that is del u or del x plus del v or del y is equals to 0. So this is del u or del x plus del v or del y is equals to what? 0. Now my point of discussion here, कि जरा इसको यहां पर देखते हैं करके. So बच्चों, this is del upon del x u, this y cube by 3 plus 2x minus x square y plus del upon del y v x y square minus 2y minus x cube by 3. चेक कर रहे हैं हम इसको. So if we are looking here, so this is equals to what? This is equals to 0. satisfy कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, that we are going to see. So this is this will becomes what? 2 minus 2 xy, okay, and this plus y के respect में 2xy minus 2. So I think so this and this is going to be what? Cancelled. So whatever we have seen here, that this we have taken, this is what? Del u over del x plus del v over del y. This we have taken, na? So this value is equals to what? 0. So in this way, del u over del x plus del v over del y is equals to what? 0. It means continuity is what? Satisfied here. Flow is possible. Continuity satisfied. Flow, possible case of flow. Flow is possible. So idea, first of all, note down this one, then we have a further discussion. I'm side here. Please do this fast. Done. अब मेरे पास स्पेस कम पड़ने वाली है, so that's why I'm going to rub each and everything here. This we have taken the u, this we have taken the v, और मुझे लग रहा है एक्सप्रेशन सही लिखा है मैंने, वहीं से देख के लिखा है. So my discussion that is connected to what is stream function, how to obtain it. So for psi, whatever we have studied, u is equals to, in terms of psi, u is equals to minus del psi upon del y. So this thing, whatever we have studied, minus del psi over del y is equals to what? U बच्चा, यहीं से स्टार्ट पकड़ रहा हूं. So this is equals to del psi upon del x, sorry, del psi upon del y minus u. Minus u, so this minus. So this is minus y cube by 3 minus 2x minus plus x square y. देखना बच्चा mistake ना हो बस. Now this is I am going to what? Integrate here. So integrate it. अब इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, सो दिस विल बिकम साई इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, माइनस वाई टू द पावर minus y to the power 4 upon 3 तो है 12. ओके, नेक्स्ट माइनस 2x y प्लस x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर बाय 2. Anything else, my dear? Anything else? Yes. Maybe a function of x and also constant included in that I have taken. अब यहीं पर बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है. दिस इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ माय सब्जेक्ट एक्चुअली, दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू मैथमेटिक्स. बच्चा, इफ आई हैव टेकन अ फंक्शन ऑफ x हियर, और दिस इज अ केस ऑफ पार्शियल ना, दिस इज अ केस ऑफ पार्शियल. सो x का जो फंक्शन होगा दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू ट्रीट लाइक अबाउट कांस्टेंट जब आप लेंगे डेल साई ओवर डेल वाई. और इफ यू आर नॉट comfortable with that, then whatever we have written here, take del psi over del y. तो जब आप ये करेंगे, so ultimately this part will becomes equals to what, 0. तो ये आएगा ही नहीं, because whatever this we have taken, that is a function of x, and also I'm saying constant included in that if having. Clear? Now the next step is to find out the value of what this x, हमें x की value चाहिए. So this is, I am going to say equation number 1. The next here, अच्छा हम इसको ऐसे भी तो कर सकते हैं. We also have an expression that this is del psi over del x is equals to what, v. हमने ये भी तो पढ़ा है. Now this thing if we are going to write, then we are going to write it like this way, that this is the what del x psi, this is v is this x y square minus 2y minus x cube by 3. I am going to rub this one. मेरे लिए इसका यूज खत्म हो गया, मैंने बस इसके लिए रखा था, यू वी वहां रब कर दिया था ना. भाई हमारा यहाँ पर ये फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स हो सकता है क्योंकि आप पार्शियली वाई के रिस्पेक्ट में कर रहे हो. आई रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन, दिस इज नॉट माय प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज मैथमेटिकल. फिर भी मैं बार बार उसको फोकस करके आपको बता रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट दिस वी हैव टेकन दैट दिस इज इक्वल टू वी. सो एक्चुअली वॉट एवर वी हैव हियर, अगर ये है तो ये इसको भी तो सेटिस्फाई करेगा ना. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक डेल साई ओवर डेल एक्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस. ध्यान दीजिएगा, डायरेक्ट लिखूंगा, आई डोंट हैव अ स्पेस राइट नाउ. So del psi over del x, okay, again I am going to write del over del x, लिख दे रहा हूँ, minus y to the power 4 upon 12 minus 2xy plus x square y square by 2 plus function of x is equals to x y square minus 2y minus x cube by 3. So we have taken this here, psi. Now the next discussion here, अगर हम ये ले रहे हैं तो this part will becomes equals to 0. So this will becomes what, minus 2y. So this is minus 2y. Okay. Next, that this part x के respect में, so this is 2x y square by 2. So 2 cancelize, x y square, so this is plus x y square, and this is with respect to this, so this is f dash x. This side, I repeat, this is 0, this is your minus 2y, this will becomes what, 2 here, 2 cancelize, this is x y square, and this is what, f dash x. Next point of discussion here, that this we have written is equals to what, x y square minus 2y minus x cube by 3. So I think so that if you are going to say here, so my dear, this part cancellized, this part also cancellized. So it means that f dash x is equals to what? Minus x cube by 3. This time we are going to what? Integrate it. So बच्चे जब हम इसको इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं, so this is fx minus x to the power 4 upon 12 plus constant c. So now I don't have a space right now here, so this value I am going to put in equation number 1. So now by equation number 1, so by equation number 1, so this is psi is equals to what? Minus y to the power 4 12 minus 2xy plus x square y square by 2, बच्चा plus minus, value of this is minus x to the power 4 upon 12 plus constant. So this is our answer. One more time I am going to give you the review of this, what we have done actually. भाई साई निकालना था मुझे, यू तो पता ही था, मैंने ये रख दिया, ये था माइनस इधर ले लिया तो यू के एक्सप्रेशन में, देन पार्शली था, इंटीग्रेट किया, पावर 4 अपॉन 12 वाई आ जाएगा, वाई स्क्वायर बाय 2 हो जाएगा. फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू ट्रीट लाइक अबाउट कॉन्स्टेंट वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द वर्ड पार्शियल. सो फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. अब हमारा काम क्या रह गया? टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. सो दिस थिंग वी हैव टेकन हियर बिकॉज वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट दिस. सेटिस्फाई करेगा? v उन्होंने दिया हुआ था, सो दिस वी हैव टेकन हियर. सो बच्चा दिस इज डेल अपॉन डेल एक्स of this psi, whatever we have here. This part will becomes equals to what? 0. This will becomes what? Minus 2y. This part will becomes 2x y square by 2. So 2 to cancel, x y square. This is what? F dash x. So this we have here, this we have here. Whatever cancellized, minus 2y cancellized. Plus xy square plus xy square cancellized. So f dash x is equals to what? Minus x to the power 3 by 3. Integrate कर दीजिए, fx is equals to what? Minus x to the power 4 upon 12 plus constant. So this we have taken here. My dear, pause your video. Please note down this one. Do it fast. Done. Now my point of discussion here, हमने जो देखा है वो क्या देखा है? We have seen u, हाँ जी, u in terms of psi, that is minus del psi upon del y. U in terms of phi, that is minus del phi upon del x. अच्छा, v हमने क्या देखा? v इज इक्वल टू इन टर्म्स ऑफ साई. अब ये आपका टाइम है, आप बोलिए. v इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट? साई. दैट इज डेल साई अपॉन डेल एक्स इज इक्वल टू इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाई माइनस डेल फाई अपॉन डेल बाय. सो बेटा ये जो इक्वेशंस है, गोइंग टू रिलेट द व्हाट यू कैन से साई एंड फाई, दिस एंड दिस. So my discussion basically connected to what? Cauchy-Riemann equation. So this is Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cauchy-Riemann equation. Now my dear, you tell me in which kind of flow you can define psi and phi both. ऐसा कौन सा फ्लो होगा जिसमें कि आप साई और फाई दोनों को डिफाइन कर दें? फाई किस में एग्जिस्ट करता है? पोटेंशियल फंक्शन किस में एग्जिस्ट करता है? वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल. द फ्लो शुड बी व्हाट? इरोटेशनल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर फॉर, आई डोंट हैव ए स्पेस राइट नाउ हियर, मैं यहां लिखना चाहता था फॉर इरोटेशनल फ्लो. My dear, I am interested to take one discussion here and that is valuable for you. तो ये तो आपने देख लिया Cauchy-Riemann इक्वेशन कि आप साई फाई को कैसे रिलेट कर रहे हैं. A very special discussion I am going to take. Listen carefully. And this discussion is connected to what? Sign convention. अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा? My dear, whatever we have studied here, that is that this u is equals to minus del phi upon del x, v is equals to minus del phi upon del y, w is equals to minus del phi upon del z, and also you have studied that this u is equals to minus of del psi upon del y. Is it clear ना? तो याद होना चाहिए बच्चों को, इतना टाइम दे के लेके आया. Now the next one, v is equals to del psi upon del x. Now the point of discussion, one student is going to say, sir, that this you have written so that the continuity gets satisfied. तो continuity तो ऐसे भी satisfy हो सकती है. Sir, if you are going to write this, that is on the basis of continuity. Equation. And whatever we have seen the continuity equation there, del u over del x plus del v over del y is equals to what? 0. So if somebody is going to take like this way, sir, if I am interested to take like this way, that this is the what u is equals to del psi over del y, and v is equals to what? Minus of del psi over del x. एक बच्चा कह रहा है सर whatever we have seen minus here plus here, then ultimately things are going to what? Subtract. Continuity satisfied. But we can also take it na that this is the what plus and this is the what minus. Yes my dear, definitely you can take. जब हमने वहां पर देखा था तो ये देखा था, अब हम ये भी कह रहे हैं अगर आप यहाँ प्लस लेंगे यहाँ पर माइनस लेंगे, also continuity gets satisfied. So in some of the books if you are looking, they have taken this. In some of the books if you are looking, they have taken this. The books to books you can say sign convention differs. But whatever we are going to take here, this Cauchy-Riemann remain this. And this, then ultimately I am also going to say that this we are going to say that this u is equals to what? Del phi upon del x, v is equals to what? Del phi over del y, and this w is equals to what? Del phi over del z, in this way. Now my point of discussion here, listen carefully my dear, listen carefully. We have defined by definition potential function in this way, that the negative derivative of potential function in any direction is going to give you the velocity in that particular direction of flow. जब हमने वहां डेफिनेशन आपको लिखाई थी तो नेगेटिव बोला था, तो ये लिखा था. बट अब आप ये ना कहिएगा सर यहां पर आप नेगेटिव नहीं लिख रहे हैं, तो मैंने डेफिनेशन तो इसके बेसिस पे आपको दी है. बट मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि some, if you are going to refer some authors na, so they have a convention like this and this. So Cauchy-Riemann is this. But some of the authors, if you are going to refer, they have taken the conventions like this, then they have taken the conventions like this. So फिर don't we get confused कि सर negative derivative, फिर वहां definition में negative derivative की बात नहीं होगी if you are going to take this type of sign. this type of, if you are going to use this type of formulas. So definition whatever I have given on the basis of this, again and again I have repeated this thing, so don't be get confused. एंड दोनों सही है, आप इससे भी कर सकते हो उससे भी कर सकते हो, बट जो भी ऑप्ट करना प्रॉपरली ऑप्ट करना. आई थिंक सो पॉइंट इज क्लियर. नाउ माय डियर, आई एम साइड हियर, प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस वन, डू इट फास्ट. So now my dear done. So I repeat कि whatever we have seen that we are using this sign convention, okay? और इसीलिए मैंने डेफिनेशन में भी आपको वहां पर दे दिया था नेगेटिव. बट समवेयर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड दिस साइन कन्वेंशन तो इसको भी आप प्रॉपरली यूज कर सकते हैं, बट फिर डेफिनेशन इसके अकॉर्डिंग होगी. आई थिंक सो पॉइंट इज क्लियर. फिर आप वहां पर नेगेटिव डेरिवेटिव नहीं बोलेंगे. बुक्स टू बुक्स लिटिल बिट यू कैन से साइन कन्वेंशन वाइज वेरिएशन है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट जो भी हम लेके चल रहे हैं हमारी कॉची रीमन इक्वेशन विल रिमेन्स व्हाट सेम. अच्छा, कॉची रीमन, ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन माय डियर, दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू व्हाट फ्लोनेट. सो नोट डाउन द हेडिंग प्लीज, फ्लोनेट. बच्चों पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन हियर इज दिस. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग कि जब आपका साइन कन्वेंशन अगर आप फर्स्ट वाला ले रहे हैं, सेकंड वाला ले रहे हैं, ऑप्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आपका आंसर माइंड से वेरी करेगा. सो दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो गलती से ये ना सोचिएगा कि किसी ने एक साइन कन्वेंशन को लेके किया, किसी ने दूसरे साइन कन्वेंशन को लेके किया है कि मेरा आंसर सही नहीं आ रहा. माइनस से कुछ वेरी कर सकती है एट द लास्ट आंसर में. सो दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल, बिल्कुल तरीके से. Now the next discussion here, that's connected to what FlowNet. FlowNet. Acha, FlowNet, first of all, whatever you are going to form, I have already given you the idea connected to what FlowNet. कि साई लाइन्स हैं, इक्वी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन लाइन्स हैं, इक्वी स्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइन्स हैं, ये ऑर्थोगोनल होंगी. सो इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो आपका एक बनता है, दैट इज सो कॉल्ड, यू कैन से फ्लोनेट. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म द वर्ड फ्लोनेट, सो बेसिकली किस फ्लो के लिए आप फॉर्म करेंगे? यहां पर की इक्वी स्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइंस है और जहां पर की इक्वी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन लाइंस है. सो दैट मीन्स वो फ्लो क्या होना चाहिए? इररोटेशनल. क्योंकि पोटेंशियल फंक्शन आपकी किस में डिफाइंड है, या किस में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं? एग्जिस्ट करते हैं इन द व्हाट? इररोटेशनल फ्लो. सो माय डियर, दिस फ्लोनेट डिस्कशन इज for irrotational flow. Now my dear, note down the heading and note down the statement point here. It is the graphical representation. It is the graphical representation of equipotential function and equistream function and equistream function lines. बच्चों हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? फ्लोनेट प्लॉट कर रहे हो, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लोस के लिए प्लॉट कर रहे हैं. वन मोर टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट द डेफिनेशन. अच्छा, फ्लोनेट जो हम लोग बनाएंगे, पहली चीज हो गई, रीजनिंग पार्ट क्लियर कर दे रहा हूं. फ्लोनेट बना किससे रहे हैं? इक्वी स्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइन और इक्वी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन लाइन. तो इक्वी स्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइन और इक्वी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन लाइन किस फ्लो में बनेंगी? इररोटेशनल. बिकॉज फाई जो आपका पोटेंशियल फंक्शन है, वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल फंक्शन, वो किस में एग्जिस्ट करेगा? इररोटेशनल फ्लो में ओनली. दैट्स व्हाई. So my point of discussion, अच्छा repeat करो definition. It is the graphical representation of equipotential function and equistream function lines. इस समझ से मैंने पहली बार भी ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन बोला था ना, अदरवाइज लिख लीजिएगा. It is the graphical representation of equipotential function and equistream function lines. Now the next thing, that is what some flows I am going to take here, that is what uniform flow. पहला flow ले रहा हूँ uniform flow. अच्छा, uniform flow है, so it is something like this. It is something like this. It is something like this. psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4. और पोटेंशियल इक्विपोटेंशियल फंक्शन लाइन अगर आप बनाएंगे तो उसमें डायरेक्शन तो हम शो नहीं करेंगे, होती नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट ऑर्थोगोनल टू दिस. सो दिस इज द व्हाट लाइन हियर, दिस एंड दिस. सो बच्चों, दिस इज phi 1, this is phi 2, this is what phi 3. You can also say phi 4. This is a case of what uniform flow. Next case, the case connected to what accelerated flow. So this is a case connected to what accelerated flow. अब बच्चों एक्सेलरेटेड फ्लोस का केस क्या है? जैसे कि फ्लो ये जा रहा है, मतलब कन्वर्जिंग. सो दिस इज अ केस दैट द फ्लो इज लाइक दिस. That the flow is like this. So I'm going to say here that this is what psi 1, this is psi 2, this is psi 3. Now next thing here, that it is something like this and this. Phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. Now my dear, my point of discussion here. My point of discussion is this. Now you tell me that whatever be the difference here in between the psi values, and whatever be the difference here, this and this, and this and this, now you tell me which one is comparatively more. जल्दी बताइए, बता सकते हैं बच्चों. अगर आप देखोगे तो साई वैल्यूज का डिफरेंस जो यहां पर है और जो यहां पर है, दैट इज व्हाट सेम. क्योंकि साई वैल्यू का डिफरेंस आपको क्या बताएगा? द डिफरेंस इन द व्हाट, the value of psi here, the value of psi, take a more difference here, that is going to give you the value of what discharge per unit width of flow. And whatever be the discharge here and whatever be discharge here, that is same. Or even that, my dear, that for this line, the value of psi, if here it is psi 3, so here it is also what psi 3. Equistream function line. So that means the difference here and the difference here is what same. And the difference is going to give you the value of discharge per unit width of flow. ये क्वेश्चंस बनाते हैं कि if these lines come closer, what does it mean? Definitely, if these lines come closer, so gap is going to be what decrease. Or discharge is equals to what? Discharge is equals to what? Area multiplied by velocity. So discharge is what? Area multiplied by velocity. Are you getting my point or not? Discharge is same. If this gap is going to decrease, that means area is going to be what? Decrease. So if this is constant and this if decreases, so what does it mean? This value is going to be what? Increase. Are you getting my point or not? So if somewhere they are going to form the questions like this way, that this is going to be what comes closer, it means comes closer, this decreases and velocity increases. Clear? And वैसे भी this is the case of what I already told you, accelerated flow. So that's why you can say that the velocity is going to be what? Increase. Next. That this is the case of what? Deaccelerated flow. अब deaccelerated flows में क्या है कि that the case is something like this, my dear. So it is something like this. It is something like this and this. Psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. This, and this. Phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. अब यहां पर क्या कर रहा है? गैप बढ़ रहा है, तो डिस्चार्ज तो उतना ही है. तो अगर गैप बढ़ रहा है तो एरिया इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? इंक्रीज. इफ एरिया इज गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीज, दैट मींस वेलोसिटी इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट? डिक्रीज. It is that this is the case of what? The accelerated force. Now the next discussion that is connected to what? Source and sink. सोर्स का बच्चा केस होता है रेडियली आउटवर्ड. Radially outward case is something like this. So flow एक पॉइंट से निकल रहा है. So it is like this. This. अब ये जो है ना, इसको आप ऐसे समझो. This is something like this. Here. एक पॉइंट है and the flow direction like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. I repeat, radially outward. Radially outward means ये है एक पॉइंट and the flow is moving like this. So एक पॉइंट से radially outward, this. So it is something like this. So ये जो होगा ना, that is, it is going to represent the what you can say. This is going to represent you the what? Psi line. Psi line. Flow lines है ना my dear. और ये तो मैं आपको क्लियर कर ही चुका हूं कि कोई स्ट्रीम फंक्शन लाइंस क्या है जो आप स्ट्रीम लाइंस प्लॉट कर रहे हैं इन 2D. दैट इज सेम फ्लो लाइंस. दैट इज गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट द व्हाट? फ्लो. Potential line, equipotential line perpendicular to this. So if we are going to plot the perpendicular to this, so this is the what you can say this. If we are going to plot the perpendicular to this, this is this. So my dear, this is the what? Phi line. Perpendicular. Source का opposite sink. It is radially out, sink is radially in. So this is the case of sink. Radially inward. सब फ्लो नेट के केसेस है. यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो, accelerated, deaccelerated flow, then source, then sink. Sink radially inward. What does it mean? It is something like this. So बच्चों, this. My point of discussion here कि that in this case it is something like this. Sink case radially inward. This. Radially outward case. This. I think some point is clear. So radially inward. This. So my dear, in this case the flow direction is inward and this is going to show you what? Psi line. The next perpendicular to this, that is what? Potential. The potential function line, this and this. So this is going to show you phi line. Now my dear, this is your time to note down the things here. Please pause your video and do it fast. Done. After this, my dear, we are going to start our discussion that is connected to your booklet. So first attempt the problems, then go through this solution. That is good for you always. I am going to continue with the discussion. Whatever your doubts that I am going to take, and also I am going to give you the answer keys. So please open your booklet and I am going to give you the answer keys, please. So answer keys, first of all, my dear, this is question number 1. Answer is Agra, A. Question number 2, answer is Delhi, D. 3, I'm also going to write down here fluid kinematics. First A, second D, third D, fourth C, fifth C, sixth Calcutta, D, oh sorry, seventh A, eighth D, 9 B, 10 A, 11 A. Okay, 12 D, 12 D, 13 C, 14 A, 15 Calcutta, 15 C, 16 C, 17 D, 18 C, 19 D, 20 A, 21 B. 22, my dear. 22 answer is Bombay, B. 23 A, 24 A, 25 C, 26 Delhi, D, 27 D, 28 B, 29 A, 30 D, 31 Calcutta, 32 Calcutta, 33 Calcutta, 34 is also Calcutta. See, 35 34 is C, 35 is C. Okay, first one note down, do it fast. Next, my dear, this is your 35, no? 36 D, 37 C, 38 C, 39 C, 40 12 NDT question is there. Okay, 41 36 41 36 42 2 43, my dear. This is 1.5 radian per second. 44 3 45. Three answers are there, my dear. This is minus 14.623 meter per second square. Second is 0.945 meter per second square. Third is minus 13.678 meter per second square. Okay. Now, my dear, 46 we have done, 47 we have done, 48 we have done, already done in your class notes. And some of the problems in between also we have done. So this is the answer. I am side here. Please don't read it. Do it first. Done. My dear, after this, we are going to start with our discussion. Okay. So question number 1. Take a look, beta. Problem number 1, discussions. First, language problem is here. Consider the following statement related to the concept of continuity equation and concept of control volume deriving equation. Okay, that's why I told you continuity equation derive आपने नहीं देखा है. How can you answer these questions? क्या बोल रहा है? Continuity equation relates velocity component and density of the fluid at a point in a fluid flow. Definitely, continuity equation, whatever you have seen, in that del rho by del t plus del upon del x rho u plus del upon del y rho v plus del upon del z rho w is equals to 0. सबको relate कर रही है, सही है. Continuity equation assumes that no void occurs in the fluid and fluid mass is neither created nor destroyed. Conservation of mass था ही, मैंने लिखा भी था. Absolute correct. The shape of control volume for deriving continuity equation of continuity is assumed to be parallel pipe. If you have seen, so whatever we have derived the continuity equation, we have taken this. So बच्चे ये कुछ और थोड़ी ना, parallel pipe भी तो है. Parallel surfaces हैं, this and this is parallel, this and this is parallel. I repeat, this lower and upper is parallel, this and this is parallel. सही है, बिल्कुल सही है. For incompressible fluids, the equation of continuity does not contain the viscosity term. वैसे भी continuity equation, if you have seen now, viscosity term is not there. Absolutely correct. So all the options are correct. So this is option A is the answer. Second problem, बच्चा. Problem number 2. The two-dimensional flow is velocity vector they have given. Okay. They are asking कि compressible and irrotational, compressible and not irrotational. तो अब इसमें कुछ नहीं है. Incompressible flow continuity equation you can apply, and omega z formula you can apply to check whether it is a case of rotational or irrotational. So two things are there. एक तो आप ये करो, del u upon del x plus del v upon del y is equals to what? 0. For 2D incompressible flow, continuity is there, बेटा ये continuity है. तो अगर आप इसको सेटिस्फाई कर, तो माय डियर u के लिए अगर मैं रखूंगा, आई थिंक दिस विल बी x है ना 1 प्लस v की जगह रखूंगा, दिस इज -1 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 0. That means continuity satisfied for the incompressible flow. That means incompressible is there. Same thing, you should have to take the what? Rotation. So for that formula is what? Omega z is equals to what? 1 by 2 del upon del x minus del upon del v, sorry, del y v, and this is what? U. Check कर लो अब इसका. So u आपके पास बेटा given है, this is और v भी given है 1 by 2 del upon del x. v बेटा क्या है? V is your 4 minus y minus del upon del y. U is what you can say x plus 2y plus 2. यही तो है. So बच्चे जब यहाँ पर आप करोगे, so this will becomes equals to what? 0. This will becomes y का यहाँ पर आएगा क्या? -2. So -2, this is equals to what? -1. So definitely value is not equals to 0. That means this is a case of what? Rotational flow. So according to options, if you are looking, so D is the what? Correct one. अगर आप देखोगे तो D सही है. That is incompressible and not irrotational. That means rotational. English. This is problem number 3rd discussion now. In a 3-dimensional incompressible flow, the velocity component in x and y directions are u is equals to and v is equals to. What is the velocity component in z direction? 3D flow है, incompressible flow है. So बच्चों continuity apply कर दो. For 3D incompressible flow. So this is del u over del x plus del v over del y plus del w over del z is equals to what? 0. अब बच्चा u they have given, so this will becomes del upon del x u 2x square plus z square plus 6 plus del over del y. V they have given बच्चा, so this is the y square plus 2z square plus 7 plus del w over del z. So बच्चा यहाँ से लेंगे, this will becomes what? 4 plus ये हो जाएगा 4 डिफरेंशिएट किया ना x plus 2y plus del w over del z is equals to what? 0. So my dear, if you are looking here, so this is the what del w over del z is equals to what? Minus 4x minus 2y. Integrate कर दी. Integrate it. So this is w is equal to what? Minus j हो जाएगा xz. So this is 4xz minus 2yz plus a function of x comma y. X comma y function, whenever you are going to differentiate partially with respect to z, that is going to behave like a what? Constant. Point should be clear. So यहाँ से अगर आप देखोगे तो correct option is what? D. I am sorry, please note down this one, do it fast. Done. Your next discussion, problem number 4 you can attempt. This is continuity based. Next again problem. Problem number 5, it's a good problem. बच्चों ने एक पढ़ा continuity equation में, continuity equation. And we have written it like this way. मैंने तो derive करवाया है that this is the word d rho by dt is equals to what? Sorry. Plus rho times of this is equal to what? 0. Continue equation we have done like this in your class notes. अब इन्होंने क्या किया? For a given location of flow, the rate of change of density, that means they have given this. That is equal to 2.4 they have given plus density. If the density at that point is 1.2, so this is 1.2. Next they are asking about this. So this value is equal to what? Minus 2. Or these types of questions definitely they'll put in the what examination in future. Question number 6 that we have done in the class notes. पहले मेरे discussion को देख लीजिए आप. उसके बाद I will give you the time so that you can note down the things. Or if you are interested, then one by one after the discussion you can pause your video. This is question number 7. For an incompressible fluid flow, incompressible flow field, which one of the following conditions must be satisfied? Incompressible flow, I told you that this part is equal to what? 0. Question number 7 discussion is there. Again, incompressible hoga, this part will become equal to what? 0. So answer will be what? For incompressible flow. Already written in your class notes. So in this case, this is your final answer. What duty is this? Problem number 8 discussion. Problem number 8 is a very good problem. Language problem is there. इसको आप कैसे क्लिक करेंगे वो देखिए. See last point, 4th point. In an unsteady flow, the path of a particle is a streamline. कभी मैंने नहीं कहा. Path lines are different, streamlines are different. Unsteady में तो same कैसे आप दोगे? Steady है, then ultimately these lines are going to what looks same. Unsteady में वैसे ही नहीं होगा. You have already seen my discussion connected to streak lines for unsteady. तो absolutely गलत है. So 4th point जहां भी है सारे points cancel हो गए. That means option A, option C, option B हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि सब में 4th point आ रहा है. Remaining is option D. That is your answer. And all the 3 points whatever they have done absolutely correct. 3rd point, dx upon u is equals to dy upon v is equals to z upon w. Differential form of streamline equation that you have done in the class. एक चीज बहुत उस तरीके से गई है माइंड. Next, second point in this question, question number 8. There is no flow across a streamline. I told you that's written in your language in the streamline. There is no flow across a streamline. First, it is a continuous line so that the tangent at any point on it shows velocity vector at that point. चलते हैं बेटा. Problem is clear. Problem number 8. That now you will see that why I have taken discussion in the mathematics this way, so that whenever you are going to involve the problem, each everything will start to work. Problem number 9 discussion. Okay, देखिए क्या. The velocity component of a 2D flow are given as u is equals to minus pxt. So this is u is equals to minus pxt, or v is equals to they have given pyt. Okay, where p is a positive constant and x y are coordinates and t is a time. The typical instantaneous streamline. Okay, streamline equation we have studied. That this is dx upon u is equals to what? Dy upon v. Differential equation of streamline. My dear, put the values here. So this is what you can say dx upon u. U is what? Minus pxt. is equals to dy upon v. V is equals to what? P by t. This pp cancellized. tt also going to be what? Cancellized. इंटीग्रेट करिए इसको, इंटीग्रेट इट. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ln c minus ln x is equals to ln. So this ln c is equals to what? Ln x by. Take antilog. So ultimately this becomes what? X y is equals to what? C, rectangular hyperbola. So option B is the correct one. Dear, I'm sad here. Please note this one first. But this is problem number 10. This you can solve. Simple problem. Problem number 11, that also you can solve. Velocity magnitude पूछ रहा है, u v w given है, coordinates they have given, put the coordinates x y terms, you will get u v w. On the basis of this you can see what the velocity. 12 stagnation point, we have done the same problem in your class notes. 13 we have done in your class notes. 14 problem reasoning based. Take a look. देखिए क्या बच्चों ने इसकी लैंग्वेज में कंफ्यूज होते हैं. आप पहला स्टेटमेंट पढ़िए, खत्म करिए प्रॉब्लम को. और डेफिनेटली अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो इंग्लिश की प्रॉब्लम है, इस प्रॉब्लम की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. देखिए क्या है, अ फ्लूइड पार्टिकल कैन एक्सेलरेट. एक्सेलरेशन इज देयर. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, इन अ स्टेडी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो फील्ड. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म है बच्चा, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म दैट मीन्स कन्वेक्टिव एक्सेलरेशन एग्जिस्ट करेगा. स्टेडी है दैट मीन्स लोकल एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? जीरो. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, लोकल एक्सेलरेशन जीरो. कन्वेक्टिव है, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म दैट मीन्स कन्वेक्टिव एक्सेलरेशन विल एग्जिस्ट. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑप्शन एक्सेलरेशन होगा. दैट मीन्स एक्सेलरेशन इज देयर. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस. ओके. When the student start to read the other options, then the student start to get confused. See the other options. Only if the flow field is both unsteady and non-uniform. Unsteady है, that means local भी exist करेगा, non-uniform convective. But they are saying only if, only word they are using. कि केवल इसी केस में होगा. No, my dear. अगर केवल इसी केस में होगा, if only in this case, how can you say that the first case acceleration is there? Only लगाना गलत हो गया. Only if. In this case acceleration is there, but they are saying only if. The third statement, only if an unsteady flow field. Unsteady flow field, that means local is there, but only if you are going to say. Fourth, it's useless key that if viscosity forces are large enough. Nothing. So I have given my best explanation related to this question. और बार बार यही कहता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं बार बार लैंग्वेज में आपको बहुत सारी चीजें रिपीट कर रहा था काइनेमेटिक्स में, सो दैट कि जब प्रॉब्लम बनाने पे जाओगे डिफिकल्टीज कम लगेंगे अगर आपने लेक्चर्स को अच्छे से सुना है. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 15. ओके, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 15 इज आल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम दैट वी हैव डन कॉन्सेप्चुअली इन द क्लास. बेटा दिस इज द केस ऑफ थर्ड डिस्कशन, कर्ड नोजल इन एक्सेलरेशन. सो यू गो एंड रिवाइज दैट एंड मे बी कि दैट यू हैव डन ऑलरेडी डन दिस प्रॉब्लम. वहां हमने बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन किया हुआ है, उसी का ही आंसर इसमें लिखा है कि कर्ड नोजल के केसेस में वेरिएबल एच पे व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन विल एग्जिस्ट. सो इट्स ओवर ऑलरेडी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, इन अ फ्लो फील्ड which has only convective acceleration. कन्वेक्टिव एक्सेलरेशन नॉन यूनिफॉर्म होगा तो कन्वेक्टिव एक्सेलरेशन होगा. स्टेडी यूनिफॉर्म फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, एंड अनस्टेडी uniform flow. STD नॉन यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो. ओके, क्वेश्चन देखिए, अ फ्लो फील्ड विच हैज ओनली कन्वेक्टिव एक्सेलरेशन. ओके, ओनली कन्वेक्टिव एक्सेलरेशन मींस नॉन यूनिफॉर्म, STD. C and D option, that is going to confuse you, because D option is they have written non-uniform also. Convective is there, but they have written unsteady. That means local is also there in the D. But in the question they have written only. बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. That is going to confuse you option wise. So correct answer is Calcutta. Problem number 16 is also over. Problem number 17. Take a look of the discussion here. क्या दिया इन्होंने? A point on a streamline called the velocity is 3 meters per second. Okay. Velocity here is 3 meters per second. The radius of curvature 9. That is, they have given V is equals to 3 meters per second. Or they have given that this is equals to 9 meters. If the rate of increased velocity along the streamline at this point is 1 by 3 meter per second per meter, they have given rate of increment. Okay. Then the total acceleration at this point would be. बेटा जी दो एक्सेलरेशन होंगे, एक तो आपका हो गया, यू कैन से अलोंग दिस, एक ये हो गया, एक दिस एंड दिस. टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन, और दिस इज द व्हाट नॉर्मल एक्सेलरेशन. इसको हम लोग ये भी सकते हैं AS, अलोंग स्ट्रीमलाइन. दैट मींस टेंजेंशियल व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग S. Now this is, I am going to say here, V del V over del S plus del V over del T. Remember this thing, formula is this. Tangential acceleration, yeah, yes, we can write it along streamline. बात वही है. Next, normal acceleration formula is V square by R. आज के बाद ये आप ध्यान रखिए formulas. My next point of discussion, my dear. Whatever they have given at a point of streamline, the velocity is 3 meters per second and the radius of curvature is 9 meters. The rate of increase of velocity along the streamline at this point. Okay, so this they have not given. This they have given velocity is 3. Rate of increment, this is what, 1 by 3. So this is equals to what? 1 meter per second square. Next, they have given this. V हम पता है that this is the 3 square upon 9. So this is what, 1 meter per second square. So my dear, that this we have, this we have. On the basis of this, we can say about the what acceleration. Total acceleration beta. So this total acceleration is what? This and this square, this plus this. This is what, root 2 meter per second square. This type of formula we will also use in dynamics. So you will see here. I think the point should be clear. So my dear, answer here, please note down this one, do it fast.